So there are a few major updates. Start Drones did receive a CADES code, which should make it easier for us to apply for grants. Start Drones also received AWS Activate Credit, which I believe anyone could apply to. That's not an endorsement. Start Drones now has a simplified pitch deck to go along with its multifaceted pitch deck. We also have a new data page and redesigned the website a little bit. And we archived our website on the blockchain using Arweave. CloutContracts is getting closer to reaching full decentralization. This word of this announcement is as is. Nothing said here is investment advice. There are also a few kinks with the Charitable Trust Application for the Start Global Initiative. The Start Global Initiative is currently looking for a Charitable Trust Director volunteer. We are also looking for business development reps for Start Drones. We now have a found.com account as well for contractor management, and DigitalCPR is starting to be more active. Again, none of this is investment advice. Information is as is.